Hey everybody, welcome back to A Better Computer. My name is Matt. I'm wearing a mask and I'm doing that to show off a cool new feature coming in iOS 14.5. Very soon, it's in beta right now. It's the ability to unlock your phone while wearing a mask. All right, so this is a super awesome new feature. I am super pumped for it. It would have been great to have it months ago, but after almost a year of wearing a mask pretty much all the time when going out into the world, I am very excited to get Face ID back effectively while I'm out shopping, grocery shopping mostly, but being able to authenticate my phone with my face, sort of, with a mask on. And so I'm going to tell you why I'm excited about this. I'm going to show you how you turn it on and then how it works and kind of the restrictions around it. So let's jump into it. First off, why is it awesome? I don't need to tell you. This is the ability to get Face ID back on your phone while you're wearing a mask. For like a year now, we've been going outside, we've been like paying at the store, we've been doing all these things, and we've had to do it with a mask on, and we haven't been able to use Face ID on our phones. We've had to key in our passcode so many times. I've keyed in my passcode more times in the past year than ever, really, since biometric authentication became a thing on the iPhone. And so this is a wonderful addition. Let's see how it works. So to get this to work, you have to go to the Settings app, go to Face ID and Passcode Settings, enter your code, and then scroll down a little bit and you'll get Unlock with Apple Watch. It's going to be off by default, so it's not there automatically. You have to actually turn this on, but once you do, it's just a matter of flipping the switch and now it's ready to go. And for this bit, I'm going to get my mask back on. This isn't my best mask, but it's a decent mask for talking through for a video. And so I've got the mask on. Normally Face ID wouldn't work, right? I'd hold my phone up and I'd have to enter my passcode. Now I hold my phone up and it's unlocked. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's unlocked. I can swipe up. There's my home screen. Again, locked it, turn on the screen, and again, it's unlocked. So super fast. As fast as normal Face ID, and what happens basically is when you hold it up and it detects your face and thinks that it's covered, it then checks to see, is his Apple Watch on or her Apple Watch on? Is it authenticated, so it was the passcode entered to make them be able to use the watch, and is it on their wrist? So it looks for a heartbeat, I think is what's been reported, and it sees like, is it actually on your wrist? And so if all those things are true, then it will authenticate. Let me get this off real quick. And then if you do anything else, so if you kind of like are thinking, oh, then maybe this is a way for me to make Face ID basically always work. Maybe I can hold my phone sideways. Maybe I can hold my phone upside down. Doesn't work there. Maybe I can just put it on my desk and then when I just like swipe up on it, it'll detect that I'm wearing my watch and it'll unlock. That's not how it works either. It only works, and not on someone else's face. So if you hold it up to like your significant other's face and they're wearing a mask, doesn't work there. So it's not just detecting a mask, it's detecting it's you wearing a mask, and then it does the check. And so what's really cool, let me put the mask back on, is when you do this, basically it will notify you on the watch. And so what's gonna happen is I'm going to unlock. My watch is going to get a notification that says, hey, it unlocked with that. And there's a button there that you saw to unlock the phone or to relock the phone. And so if you didn't want that to actually happen, you can go ahead and lock the phone. If it was some sort of error, if it was somehow someone else got access to it and it was working in a way that it wasn't supposed to, you can lock it. But basically you get this big notification, it buzzes your wrist as well, that tells you, hey, your phone was unlocked with your Apple Watch. You can relock it if you need to, but basically, in my experience, I used this when I went out last night to get some groceries and it worked great. It worked with Apple Pay. I'm a huge fan of it. Again, it really would have been nice to have this months ago, but I understand that changing authentication between devices, especially one that's used at this scale, is really challenging. So tons of appreciation I'm setting towards the development team who made this happen. And yeah, I'm just a big fan of it. So that's what's coming in iOS 14.5. Again, also you need the watchOS 7.4 version to be installed. So those are both in beta right now and hopefully will be out for the public very soon. But that's how they work, and those are very exciting features coming soon. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you here next time. Bye-bye.